Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Simply Carolyn. Happy Sunday to y'all. And y'all, today we are having a seafood boil. On the menu we have some boiled eggs, some corn, snow crab legs, some shrimp, and some potatoes in the middle. I have some crunch, which is ketchup and ranch. This is a dipping sauce. And I have some clarified butter here. And we are drinking Simply Lemonade tonight. I hope I don't look too flustered, y'all, and shiny, because I am hot. I've been moving around in this kitchen, and you know it don't take much for you to sweat. So without further ado, I'm going to let my husband say grace tonight.
Lord, we thank you for your food, and Lord, we thank you for everything that you do for us day by day. In the name of Jesus, amen.
Amen. So happy Sunday to y'all. Babe, go ahead and dip your hand. Happy Sunday to y'all. I hope everybody is having a great day. We had a good church service this morning. And now we are just trying to eat a little something here. My husband loves potatoes. I want him to try this potatoes and ranch. Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, he just woke up, so he probably still sleepy. Yep, that is delicious. So what are you guys eating on today? Y'all leave me a comment and let me know. And thank you so much too. People are still subscribing to my channel. For that, I'm grateful. Thank you so much and welcome. And y'all, you know, I'm always going to have something inspirational to tell you. Because the Bible tells us to not despise small beginnings. To start off small, don't worry about it. That gives you room to grow. You can't go nowhere but up. Alright, y'all. The hardest time trying to find shrimp today. Walmart showcase was completely out. So I did go to Aldi's. And they had a few bags. But they were the smaller ones. If y'all haven't tried that Simply Lemonade, oh my gosh, you gotta try it. It's good. And if I'm not mistaken, I think they have the pink lemonade too. So y'all, I'm gonna stop yakking and get to eating. Because y'all ain't come here to see me talk. Y'all came to see me eat. Put the butter here so you can get to it too. Got these crab legs from Harris Teeter in Florence. Shout out to my cousin Stephanie Sessions for letting me know that they carry them there, because it's hard to find here in Conway. We were in Florence yesterday and we stopped by. So Stephanie, thank you. They are decent size. Lady D, I know these are your favorite. They're not as big as the ones you have, but hunty. Let's give them a taste. think I'm weak, yo. They are good.
Oh yeah, good. Good and plentiful.
I should have on a different shirt. So this butter won't be on me, but it's okay. Y'all, I believe I can eat crab legs and chicken every day. My husband told a girl last night, that waited on the, he think I'm going to turn into a crab. Because I eat so much of them. I said, well, you'll still love me even if I do. Okay.
Real good stuff. Real good stuff. Oh, yeah.
I have made up my mind that as soon as I get a chance, I'm going to order some of the jumbo snow crabs offline. They are huge, the ones they advertise.
I thought you had ordered some of them before. Oh, you didn't?
I ordered
What?
the whole king crab and some of the king crab legs, but not the snow crab. Give me that hand. What about you? That's my kitty, y'all. He got asthma. Everywhere we go, he go. He must have got overheated. I was warming him myself. You might go get your water.
Go get your water now. Drink some water. He's looking at it like I want some crab eggs without water.
You gotta go get him some water. Cool him down. Got that black mink on.
Oh, yeah.
I am so weak. I can't even crack this. And then I jammed my fingernail yesterday, so I'm trying not, and it's cracked all the way back in the back. I'm trying to be careful not to hurt it again. Forgot to get my scissors. Butter make it taste better.
I've seen David at Walmart. He put a front new tank in the kettle.
What you doing? That's what you see everybody at Walmart. That's where I saw Brenda.
You saw it the other day?
Mm-hmm. That's the evangelist in our church, y'all. She preached today. And she was telling us how she was cooking some food for the elderly. And the grease popped on her. She got a bad burn on her arm and in her chest. And she was in there trying to get something to put on it.
Oh yeah, God don't heal it though.
Mm-hmm. But a burn is something that'll torture you.
Oh yeah.
My thing. I have to get up and get it. I try to remember everything, y'all, but sometimes you just forget. I'm doing so much.
Yeah, you can.
One thing. I'm gonna cut this fingernail back because I don't want it to get hung on nothing and rip it off. Ooh. I'll cry like a baby.
I'm gonna put this right here in the thing.
I forgot to bring us something.
I got it.
There's a big red pot over there. If you want to bring that back and sit it down in the picture shelf, then you can. When you come back. Hold on. Bring that pot. You bring that pot over there. I'm not a potato eater, but these potatoes are good.
Oh yeah. I see me Bernie every day from St. Paul Church.
Who?
Bernie, Mr. Bernie from St. Paul Church. You know Bernie.
Probably for some.
Yeah. I talked to Craig today. He's doing good. So he goes to church on Sunday with his girlfriend now. Baby mama.
I'm good.
Yeah, that's good. So he's 54 years old. I told him that's a blessing.
You pray?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. His son in Georgetown, the one that you had seen that day. So his house, he grown now, he ate food. Trying to want my parents.
Oh yeah, I do.
real fast.
I seem like I blinked good and mine was 18.
Oh,
I'm gonna take long. Time no wait on no man. You better enjoy life while you're here. I ain't heard tell of nobody coming back.
And trust me, if they make it in heaven, they don't want to come back.
You got that right. You want to come back down to this. Take your mansion in the sky and be happy.
A whole lot better than y'all. Speak straight to know.
And y'all, this is something I hate to do. Crack them with my teeth.
I heard you, man.
Child, please, I'm trying to hold on to the few I got.
Yeah.
You be around here laughing at me. You thought. I know him, y'all. He'll be picking.
Laugh at you.
Yeah, you would. Don't you tell that on national TV, because some people are watching TV. Watching this on TV. See that here laugh. I told me he laughed at somebody dying. I'm going to pay 20 to Mr. Hemingway. Get my fork at. I'm going to use my fork. Lady D taught me that one with the fork. More than one way to get in there. You leave your cracker and use your fork. I noticed that the meat in that little fin right there is flaky. It breaks up when you try to get it out. Because it's sweet. Leave that on here. I'm trying not to hurt my hand. I don't want y'all to see me cry on here.
Carolyn real good to be just set up for a long time that day like I set up.
That's good. I'm gonna get my appearance set up.
That's bad on them pallets, all right.
Places to go, things to do, and people to see.
Oh, yeah. We got a old wrestler that lived down in Garden City. He wrestled for 15 years. And he bought his wife for 8 years. 8 Steve Fro.
Oh, that new one?
Mm-hmm. It's about a 15. It's not St. Louis, you know. It's a 15. And you can tell he's a brother from the heart, a good old guy. And that day I took off, didn't go to work, he has Rick in charge, and I'm at, where's my brother, man? Ricky told me, so Mr. George has some stuff to take care of. He won't be here today, but he'll be back tomorrow. He's a real nice guy. He's from Virginia. And his wife. He said, man, her car ain't no good. You let it shoot up too much.
No, that's any car. Especially they made to hit the road.
A wrestler. Pro wrestling, roll out. Told me to say he hurt a lot, man, from wrestling all them years.
I bet he do. Shoot, I ain't wrestling, I hurt.
Yeah, I'm hurting, big man. I said, I can tell you
I'd
hurting
rather
now.
sit down. Or getting banged up and beat up.
Yeah, he said, I'm hurting now, big man. Hurting, man.
Can't enjoy your money, man.
I said, you be all right, long as your spirit right, you won't have to hurt no day. The rest you won't have to hurt no more, son. You won't. He said, well, big man, I'm hurting, man. I have to take a shower liquor just to kind of move around a little bit. I'm hurting, man. He said, I made money. He said, but it ain't worth it.
You know, nothing worth your health. You beat up and banged up out there.
Heard him 15 years wasn't no joke.
That's how long he wrestled.
Mm-hmm.
And them crazy people hit you with a chair,
Oh, yeah.
a board, a table.
They don't care, man.
Devil is a lie. He ain't gonna beat me up.
I remember one time we was in, I was in middle school, and a wrestler killed another wrestler in the ring.
Yeah, it's easy.
He started wrestling for real, man. It was supposed to be fake.
Man, ain't all of it ain't fake now.
Sure, he put a hurt on that dude. He killed
Some
that
of
dude.
them moves are fake, but all of them ain't.
They sure hurt.
You can get hurt. I remember seeing you and Isaiah. Drop that. Used to watch that Hell in a Cell.
Oh, yeah.
Great day. They have chairs, ladders,
Yeah,
all kind of stuff.
That boy went through something.
And walk right by you and whack you with it. I couldn't deal with that.
Me neither, man. Ain't worth the money.
I heard enough from arthritis. I sure don't want nobody beating me up.
And David got his hand hurt where he was trying to get out of the police car. He was just beating on the window.
And that was his fault.
Showed me his hand today. Hand hurt. I said, son,
Maybe the next time he act like somebody with some sense.
I done told you to slow down. But if you don't,
He want to come show it to you. What you
say
supposed
it,
to
show it
do?
to me.
Yeah.
I said, son, I done told you over and over again.
He wasn't acting like that. He wouldn't have got
You
that.
get somewhere and sit down.
You know, when we was little and
I said, but I'm going to tell you something. The devil going to get you one of these days.
we playing with him now.
If you don't slow down.
You know, when we was little, and our mama and them used to tell us, a hard head make a soft behind.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't know what that meant, but honey,
Okay.
you do something they tell you not to do, then you go out there and get hurt. You wish you had listened.
Man,
I got a scar right now today because of my head being hard
oh, yeah.
on my knee. My grandmother told me to go wash the dishes. Oh, big bad me. I ain't washing no dishes. I'm tired of washing dishes. I'm going to ride my bicycle. And it was a dirt road right near where our house was. A small dirt road. I go flying down on my bicycle, honey, wide open, and hit that soft sand. I came back limping with that bicycle, knee toe up.
That's the way it be.
He said, see that? I told you to go wash them dishes. Well, She said, if you would have listened to me, you wouldn't have got that.
Oh, yeah.
But she was right. I couldn't be mad.
Oh, oh.
That head was hard, so that tail felt it.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
So that's a scar. And I'll have a lifetime. You fool? You fool now, y'all. So what's delicious? Man, it's so good. Just wish they were bigger. When you get them jumbo crab legs, snow crab, you probably can't eat but a couple of clusters.
You probably couldn't.
Well, y'all, I thank you all for stopping by, checking us out, and stay tuned. I'm gonna order me some jumbo snow crabs, but I'm gonna probably go to Costco and get some of the king crab. I ain't had the king crab because I ain't been going out too much because of COVID, y'all. Trying to stay around the house and avoid crowds. When I do venture out and go to the store or whatever, I make sure, me and my husband both, we make sure we wear our masks. So y'all do the same thing. Y'all stay safe out there because there's only one you. You gotta take care of yourself. That's a big piece. So I guess we're gonna wrap this up, y'all.
Y'all have a blessed week next week.
Oh yeah. Hey, baby. Well, thank y'all for stopping by. I don't want to make the video too long. I appreciate you dropping in. Thank you. And welcome my new subscribers. And my old subscribers, you know you're welcome. You're all welcome. I thank y'all so much for spending time with me and my husband. So on that note, we're going to go ahead and get on out of here. But don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And y'all, whenever you view the video, give me a thumbs up. That helps YouTube suggest my videos for other people to watch. So if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you are aware each time I upload a new video. I thank you all for stopping by. I love you all with the love of Jesus. Y'all stay safe and stay blessed. Good night. And you gotta turn it off for me, baby.
The one right there?
The bottom. Yep, that one.